In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A73, and today I would like to show you how you can operate App Cloner on this Samsung. Begin by opening Settings. In them, scroll down and access Advanced Features. Now you need to scroll all the way down and click on Dual Messenger. Finally, click on the switcher next to one of your apps that you wish to clone, in my case, Facebook. In this pop-up, you need to select Install in order to continue. Then tap on Confirm in Disclaimer pop-up. If you wish to use separate contact list, tap on this switcher. If you don't, click on Next and tap on Yes. Now, after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my app was successfully cloned. If you wish to delete one of your apps, the cloned ones, hold it and choose Uninstall. You can also go into exactly the same settings, click on this now blue switcher and choose Uninstall in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!